Hello guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mark an email as unread in your Gmail account. So once you're inside Gmail guys, if you have any email that you read, for example, and you want to, let's say, put back that email as unread for whatever purpose, you can do this two ways, right? So you can go ahead and once you're inside the email, you have the three dots towards the upper right hand side of that email. If you click on that, you have the option here to mark it as unread, and here you can find it at the bottom of this menu option. So if I click and mark as unread, it's going to go back and mark that email as unread. Another way how to do that is once you're inside the inbox here, if you have any email that is read, or let's say you click on an email and you read that email, you can easily mark that email as unread from this view as well. So you can just simply go ahead and right click on the particular email from the main view here of your mailbox and just simply click as mark as unread. Right, so that's how you can easily do it. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.